Grand Risings, y'all. I'm out here today. I'm trying to get some work done before the sun comes all the way out. The yard just got cut, so it's a good day. I'm ready to prepare my honeydews. So it's melon season right now. I'm all about the melons. I've got cantaloupes planted. I just planted some watermelon. They weren't as healthy, so God willing, they will do well, but my honeydew is ready. It's healthy and it's time to get it in the ground. So today I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. And listen, work don't stop because I'm in my pajamas. So might as well come out here, get it done before it gets late. It's 8:30 in the morning and I would prefer to be out here around 7:30, but I got distracted watching YouTube videos. So that's okay, all is fair. But I'm gonna go ahead, de-weed, then amend, and then plant. So stay tuned and watch me work. Okay, so I got my tool and I'm trying to loosen the dirt, but it wasn't working so great. So I had to pull out the hoe and started making a line just so I can have, a straight line, and I'm digging up the dirt. And as y'all can see, Coco is dead in the middle of my workspace, just doing whatever he wants to do. So I grabbed another tool. I leveraged the boots and I just dug down deep. The ground was harder than normal, but it still was a little soft. It wasn't completely rock hard. And now I'm pulling weeds. We can't get anything done without pulling these daggone weeds. These weeds are brutal. And so I get to the other side and I find this big branch, and I had to go get a tool to cut it up, and then it was in the soil, and then I pulled it out. Can you see? I literally just pulled it out. It's sitting right there, that big branch, and it made a T. So after I mended the soil, I went and grabbed the seedlings, and I'm going ahead and, getting the soil healthy. And of course, while I'm doing this, my brain is spinning. I'm setting up the honeydew melons on this side. And since I had an odd number, I decided just to put 5 on one side and 2 on the other. But in the meanwhile, there's kind of like a T, and you'll see it here in just a second. So I decided I'm going to use one of these tricks by putting food scraps into the ground to feed this area, and I'm getting prepped to do that right now. So first I had to go ahead and water in the plants, and also it made the ground just a little softer. I went and grabbed some mulch, and here are the bananas that I plan to use in that tea. And I'm going to go ahead and bury them in. You see that big branch? That's what I pulled out of the ground. Pajamas and all. Today was hard work. I worked hard. I have to get out here when there is no sun, or else it's just too hard to work in these conditions. And even with no sun, I was pouring in sweat. So I'm finished. It was some hard work, but somebody's got to do it. Thank you for watching.